Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Have a good day. Welcome to the next lecture of English. Children, we have already started with the new chapter, that is the 3 questions. We have done the beginning, introduction of the Leo Tolstoy. Okay, and we have already started with the lesson. So let's have a glance what we have seen in the lesson. It's a story of a king it's a story of a worried king who is looking for the answers of his 3 important questions. Okay, and the whole story is around the king and his 3 questions. Okay, so we have seen that he had a proclamation. He has announced in his kingdom that those who will come forward and answer all his questions, he will give them a reward. So many people, they came forward and they shared their experience. They gave several suggestions, but he was not convinced with their answers. So this much we have seen. Okay, then few people said that you should have a committee. You should have a committee of few people, wise people, अक्लमंद लोगों की आपकी एक कमेटी होनी चाहिए, जिसमें कौन कौन होने चाहिए? Counselors, priests, and some of them said that you should have doctors, warriors in your team. So they would give you the better suggestions. Okay, but after listening all these things, still king was unhappy and not convinced with their answers. Okay, so this much we have seen yesterday. Let's see what happens next. Page number 53. To the third question about what was the most important occupation means what work he should be done. Okay, कौन सा काम है, कौन सा कार्य, कौन सा job सबसे ज़्यादा important है. This is the third question. Some replied that the most important thing in the world was science. Few people said that science is the most important thing in the life. Others said it was skill in warfare. Skill in warfare means, see children, now words are not so common, but yes, in the time of the kings, in the time of the what we will say, in the ancient time when kings used to rule, that time war was very very common. हमेशा जंग हुआ करती थी. तो आपको ऐसे लोग चाहिए जो जंग में माहिर हो, जिनके पास स्किल्स हो. स्किल मतलब कला होना. वॉरफेयर जंग. ओके, एंड अदर्स again that it was religious worship, and few people said that the important work is religious worship. Okay, आपकी जो religious worship है, you should worship, पूजा पाठ करना या जो भी है, इस चीज़ को आपको महत्व देना चाहिए. कुछ लोगों ने क्या कहा? You should give importance to science. Some of them said skill in warfare, and some said religious worship. So these were the several opinion he got from the people. The king was convinced by none of these answers and gave the reward to none. Okay, many people came forward, they all tried their level best to convince the king, but at the end he was not convinced with any of the answers and he did not give reward to anyone. Okay, let's see what happens next. He decided instead to go to a hermit who was widely renowned for his wisdom. Okay, now he thought that he should go to the hermit. Now you will ask me, what is hermit? Hermit is a person who is like saint, stay away from the city, most probably in the jungles, and मतलब साधु संत होते हैं ना, जो जंगलों में अपनी ज़िंदगी गुजारते हैं, बहुत ही सिंपल रहते हैं. So he was like that. Okay, the hermit lived in a small hut in a forest which he never left. Okay, तो ये साधु संत कहाँ रहता था? जंगल में, एक फॉरेस्ट में, which he never left. He spoke only to common people. See, this is the description of the hermit. So the king put on simple clothes and approaching the hermit's cells, dismounted his horse and left his bodyguard behind. When he came to know that hermit spoke to only common people, वो hermit जो था वो बहुत ही simple life जीता था और गरीबों की और साधारण इंसानों की मदद करता था. He was not interested in working for the kings and all. So when the king came to know about this, what he did? He wore all simple clothes. He left his horse behind. He left his bodyguard behind, and by walking he reached the hermit's house. ठीक है? When the king arrived, the hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. Digging the ground, गड्ढा खोद रहा था वो. He greeted the king but went on digging. Greeted means he said hi, hello, namaste जो भी है, and he continued with the digging, खुदाई उसकी. The hermit was frail and weak. Frail, thin and weak. Okay, he was quite old also and weak. And each time he struck the ground with the spade and turned over a little earth. ओके वो थोड़ा थोड़ा सा खुदाई करता था. स्पेड इज़ वन ऑफ द इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच इज़ यूज टू डिग, जिसको हम कुदाल वगैरह बोलते हैं ना वो. और वो थोड़ी थोड़ी देर रुक जाता था एज ही वॉज क्वाइट वीक. ही ब्रेथ हैवीली. ओके, द किंग वेंट अप टू हिम एंड सेड, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing? See, he is asking all 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? ये first question है. Who are the people I most need and the whom should I therefore pay most attention? Third question, and what affairs are the most important and need my first attention? मतलब सही वक्त क्या है, सही इंसान कौन है और सही काम क्या है, ये 3 सवाल के उसको जवाब चाहिए थे. तो ही आस्क्ड ऑल 3 क्वेश्चंस टू द hermit. The hermit listened to the king but said nothing. He just spat on his hand and resumed digging. Spat means it's a past tense of spit, थूकना, अपने हाथों पर थूकना, just for the grip. And started digging. Resumed, continued. The king watched in silence for a while, then feeling sorry for the hermit, he said, "You are tired. Let me take the spade and work a while for you." Okay? King asked 3 questions, but hermit did not reply and continued with his work, that was digging. So silently, king observed his work. And after when he felt sorry when he saw that hermit is very weak and tired. Okay? And he offered help. You are tired, let me take the spade and work a while for you. उसने कहा कि मैं कर देता हूँ. The hermit silently handed over the spade and sat down on the ground. ठीक है, उसने अपने हाथ का औजार उसे दिया और कहा कि ठीक है आप करो. When he had dug 2 beds, the king stopped and repeated his question. The hermit again gave no answer, but rose. Rose means यहाँ पे उठना, rise, rose. Stand up, stretch out his hand for the spade and said, now rest a while and let me work a bit. Okay, king, he started digging. He dug 2 beds, मतलब 2 beds जितना उसने खुदाई की. And then he kept on asking his question, but again he did not get any reply from the hermit. And apart from that, hermit asked for the spade again. लाओ मुझे वापस दे दो. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. ठीक है. 1 hour passed and another. 1 घंटा गया और दूसरा भी. The sun began to sink behind the trees and the king at last stuck the spade into the ground and said, what happened? Now it's a time of evening. Sun is sinking. मतलब सूरज डूब रहा है. Spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise one, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me none, please say no and I will go home. Here comes. Okay? उसने बोला शाम हो गई है, it's too late. I have come to you for my 3 answers. If you don't want to give or if you can't give, tell me, so I'll go. Okay? वो बोल ही रहा था कि अचानक here comes someone running, said the hermit. Let us see who it is. Okay? Let us see who it is. Okay? सामने से कोई भागते हुए आ रहा था. The king turned round and saw a bearded man come running out of the forest. Okay? The man held his hands. What they saw, that one man, he is coming running from the forest. देखो ऐसा जख्मी आदमी जो था वो दौड़ते हुए वहाँ से आ रहा था. Pressed against his stomach and blood was flowing from under them. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. वो अपने stomach को पकड़ के आ रहा था and blood was running from his stomach. Okay? And what happened finally? He fainted. Fainted मतलब वो गिर गया चकरा कर बेहोश होके. and fell to the ground, mourning feebly, weeping, shouting, screaming in pain, dard bhari आवाज. The king and the hermit unfastened the man's clothing. They removed his shirt. There was a large wound in his stomach. बहुत बड़ा घाव था उसके पेट पर. The king washed it as well as he could and bandaged it with the handkerchief and a towel. Okay, the hermit had. उसने क्या किया, उसको थोड़ी सी ड्रेसिंग किया, उसको क्लीन किया उसके जख्म को और उसको बांध दिया. बट द ब्लड वुड नॉट स्टॉप फ्लोइंग. बट ब्लड ना इतना ज़्यादा बह रहा था कि रुक ही नहीं रहा था. एंड द किंग अगेन एंड अगेन रिमूव द बैंडेज soaked with warm blood and washed and rebandaged the wound. तो उसको क्या करना पड़ रहा था, बार बार वो मतलब अब्जॉर्ब हो रहा था, वो जो खून था वो अब्जॉर्ब हो रहा था टॉवेल में, उसको निकालना पड़ रहा था, धोना पड़ रहा था और फिर लगाना पड़ रहा था. सो मेनी टाइम्स ही कंटिन्यूड द सेम प्रोसेस. ओके, when at last the blood stopped flowing, the man revived. He was feeling better and asked for something to drink. Okay, वो थोड़ा सा होश में आया, थोड़ा स्टेबल हुआ and then he asked something to drink. The king brought some fresh water and gave it to the man. Next. Meanwhile, the sun had set and it had become cool. Okay, it was evening time now. So the king with the hermit's help carried the wounded man into the hut. Okay, दोनों ने पकड़ के उठा के उसको कहाँ लेकर आए. See, he was something like this. They brought, see, the man was in this condition. Then they tied up on his wound and brought that man in the hut. हट में दोनों ने किसी तरह उसको उठाकर लेकर आए. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या हुआ देखते हैं. The man lay there quietly with his eyes closed. By now, the king was so tired after his walk and the work he had done that he lay down himself and also fell asleep. See, throughout the day we have seen that how the king reached that hut. Okay, so he struggled a lot to reach the hut and he dig up the ground for the hermit. So he was also very very tired. वो भी दिन भर का बहुत थका हुआ था, वो भी उसके बाजू में सो गया. When he awoke in the morning, it took him some time to remember where he was and who was the strange bearded man lying by his side and gazing intently at him. Okay, next morning when he woke up, who? The king. तो थोड़ी देर लगी उसे जानने में कि मैं कहाँ हूँ, because he was king. तो it was quite like a dream for him. Then he came, और ये मेरे बाजू में कौन आदमी है जो मुझे घूर रहा है, intently, eagerly. Okay, forgive me, said the bearded man in a weak voice. When he saw that the king was awake and was looking at him. Okay, the man is saying sorry, but king was shocked that why this man is saying sorry to me, as I even doesn't know who is he. I do not know you and I have nothing to forgive you for, said the king. Okay, वो बोला मैं तो जानता भी नहीं हूँ, आप क्यों माफ़ी मांग रहे हो. You do not know me, but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who swore means it's a swear's past tense, kasam, to revenge himself on you because you executed his brother and seized his property. Okay, मैं वो हूँ जिसके भाई को तुमने मारा था और प्रॉपर्टी पे कब्जा किया था. Seized, captured. I knew you had gone alone to see the hermit and I resolved to kill you on your way back. Okay, that means he was knowing everything and he followed the king. But the day passed and you did not return. Okay, and he was waiting outside for the king. लेकिन time हो गया और king आया ही नहीं. So I came out of my ambush. Ambush, a place where he was hidden, जहाँ वो छुपा हुआ था. To find you. Your bodyguards recognized me and wounded me. Okay, so he was wounded by the bodyguards. उसको किसने मारा था? King के bodyguard ने मारकर जख्मी किया था. I escaped from them. Escaped, भाग जाना. From them, but would have bled to death. Bled means bled. It's a past tense of bleeding. मतलब इतनी bleeding थी कि मैं मर सकता था. Have bled to death. Had you not dressed my wound. अगर आपने मेरा dressing नहीं करते तो वो खून बहकर मैं मर जाता था. I wish to kill you, but you have saved my life. Now, if I leave and if you wish it, I will serve you all my life. See what happened. Now the enemy turns to help, क्योंकि उसने बोला तुम्हारी वजह से मैं आज ज़िंदा हूँ, और अगर मैं अभी ज़िंदा रहा तो ज़िंदगी भर तुम्हारी क्या करूँगा, सेवा करूँगा अगर आप चाहो तो. The king was very glad to have made peace with an enemy so easily and to have gained him for a friend. Okay, and king was very happy कि उसका enemy जो था वो दोस्त बन गया, और वो भी आसानी से. He not only forgave him but said he would send his men and his own physicians to attend him. Okay, उसने कहा कि ठीक है और मैं भी अब तुम्हारा इलाज भी करवाऊंगा. See, doctors may be not there at that time, but yes, the other, बोलते ना हम ये वैद्य वगैरह, उनसे तुम्हारा इलाज करवा लूँगा. The king then took leave of him and went out to the hut to look for the hermit. Okay. The king then took leave of him and went out of the hut to look for the hermit. उसने उससे बोला चलो मैं चलता हूँ और hermit से मिलता हूँ. Before going away, he wished once more to beg for an answer to the question he had asked. Okay, now again he was struggling for his answers, and he thought at last I should ask for these answers, and he asked. The hermit was outside on his knees sowing seeds in the beds that had been dug the day before. वो क्या कर रहा था, कल जो खुदाई की थी वहाँ पे बीज बो रहा था. The king approached him and said, for the last time, I pray you to answer my questions, wise man. Okay, he's saying, I pray you, please answer my questions. You have already been answered, said the hermit, still crouching, bending on his thin legs and looking up at the king who stood before him. Okay, he's saying कि तुमको तो जवाब मिल गया है, और देखने लगा king को. What do you mean? asked the king. King is asking, how come? Do you not see? replied the hermit. क्या आपने नहीं देखा? If you would not pitied my weakness yesterday and stayed to dig these beds for me, you would have gone back and been killed by that man. Okay, yesterday, pitied means pity. It's a past tense of pity. Pity मतलब sympathy, रहम. अगर तुम्हें मुझ पे कल रहम नहीं आता और तुम digging नहीं करते तो बाहर चले जाते और शायद इस आदमी के हाथों मारे जाते. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds. Okay, that was the first answer of your first question. And I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business, right? So he got the answer of all three questions. Afterwards, the most important time was when you were attending to that man. For if you would have not bound his wound, he would have died without having made peace with you. समझ में आ रहा? That means the three questions answer keep on changing. The answers doesn't remain same. पहला अच्छा वक्त क्या था, जब वो हर्मिट से मिला, उसके लिए डिगिंग की, वो एक अच्छा काम था, और इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन कौन था, हर्मिट था. ये एक हो गया. नेक्स्ट टाइम अच्छा काम क्या हुआ उसका, वुंडिंग दी वुंडेड मैन, bandaging the wounded man, and that man was important for him and time was important for him. समझ में आ रहा? So answers keeps on changing. He explained him. So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. Remember then, there is only one time that is important now. It is the most important time because it's the only time when we have any power. Okay? The most necessary person is the one with whom you are, and for you do not know whether you will ever have dealing with anyone else. And the most important thing is to do this person good, because for that purpose alone were you sent into this life. Okay, see, जब हम जहाँ होते हैं, okay, you should not get worry for the important time, important place and important work. Whatever you are gifted by the life, that particular time is important, and whatever you are getting work at that particular time, that work is important. Okay, and with whom you are doing that work or with whom you are spending the life, those people are very very important. समझ में आ रहा? जो ज़िंदगी में आप जी रहे हो, वक्त इम्पॉर्टेंट है, उस वक्त में जो लोग आपके साथ है वो लोग इम्पॉर्टेंट है, और जो काम आप उस वक्त कर रहे हो वो काम इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द आंसर ऑफ ऑल थ्री क्वेश्चंस. आई होप यू ऑल आर गेटिंग मी चिल्ड्रन. नाउ यू ऑल आर इन द स्कूल एज. ओके, So the time which you have got, that time is important. The work, that is studies, education, that work is very very important. And the people, your teachers, your parents, these people are very very important right now. समझ में आ रहा? दिस इज़ द फाइनेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ टुडे. आई थिंक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. 3 सवालों के जवाब यही होते हैं कि वक्त वो है जो आप जी रहे हो, वो सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट वक्त है. लोग वो है जिनके साथ आप जी रहे हो, जो आपके लिए मदद कर रहे हैं, जो आपकी लाइफ को खुश बना रहे हैं, हैप्पी बना रहे हैं. एंड द वर्क विच यू आर डूइंग एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. तो सबके काम अलग है, लेकिन आपका काम क्या है? स्टडी करना. समझ में आ रहा? सो दिस थिंग ओनली एक्सप्लेन बाय द हर्मिट टू द king. Okay, so whatever you are doing, do it. Don't get bothered for the particular time, place and people. And finally king also understood and he took a leave from the hermit. Okay, so this much is there from the story. When before leaving, I will have a beautiful thought for you all. A bad deed which you regret in your heart is 1,000 times better than the good deed that makes you feel proud. Okay, I hope you all have understood it. Think over it. I will leave you with this beautiful thought. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Take care once again. And do good in your life. Enjoy your life. And always be a helping hand to everyone. Thank you so much. Bye. See you all.